Hey guys, let's make some special Sunday stew. So first, I'll put my sliced onions in oil. I'll then season with salt, ground pepper, curry powder, some ground rosemary, and some seasoning cubes. I'll mix this in together, let it fry, and let the onions get the spices. I will then go ahead and add in my ground pepper mix and some tomato paste. Mix this all together and leave it to fry for about 12 to 15 minutes, stirring occasionally. When it's fried, I'm going to go ahead and add in my turkey, grilled turkey, and some turkey stock. Mix this in together and cover it to cook for about 5 more minutes. And then once it's cooked, I then add my baked beans. Guys, you really want to try this special recipe. I'm also adding some veggies. I used green bell peppers, cucumbers, and some sliced carrots, and then added some spring onions. Cover this to steam for like 1 minute because like they're just veggies and you want them fresh. That's it, guys.